Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Yourself on electric guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning. The song primarily uses 4 chords: E major, C sharp minor, G sharp minor, and a major. Focus on mastering these shapes and transitioning smoothly between them. This foundation is crucial for building the song's rhythm and melody. We'll cover each chord in detail, ensuring you have a solid grasp before moving on to more complex elements. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. The core rhythm for Love Yourself is a simple yet effective down, up, down, up. Pay close attention to the emphasis on the first downstroke of each measure. This drives the song's groove. Practice this pattern slowly at first, aiming for consistency. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed to around 100 beats per minute, matching the original track's feel. A metronome can be a great help here. Now, let's explore the fingerpicking section, which adds a beautiful melodic layer to the song. The intro and verses feature a distinct fingerpicking pattern that outlines the chords. Use your thumb for the bass notes and your index, middle, and ring fingers for the higher strings. Concentrate on plucking each string cleanly to ensure every note rings out. This arpeggiated approach creates a delicate and expressive sound, contrasting nicely with the strummed sections. Finally, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure and dynamics. Love Yourself follows a clear pattern of intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, and outro. Experiment with varying your strumming intensity and fingerpicking dynamics to add expression. Play softer in the verses and build energy for the choruses. Practicing along with the original recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel, making your performance sound authentic and polished.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.